It was an ordinary day until everything changed in a moment. A 44-year-old man was brought to the emergency department after a sudden, high-impact road accident. He had been riding his two-wheeler when a head-on collision with a four-wheeler threw him off balance, leaving him in severe pain. Despite the trauma, he was conscious, stable, and able to communicate. But one thing was clear, he couldn't stand, and the pain in his right hip was intense. On examination and imaging, the diagnosis was confirmed: a displaced fracture of the neck of the femur on the right side with posteromedial comminution. In clinical terms, it was classified as a Gardner type 4 fracture, a complete displacement where the blood supply to the femoral head is often compromised. This wasn't a minor injury. It was a life-altering condition that required immediate and definitive management. The medical team explained the situation clearly to the patient and his family. Two surgical options were discussed. The first option was osteosynthesis, fixing the bone using screws or implants, attempting to preserve the natural hip joint. The second option was total hip replacement, a procedure where the damaged joint is replaced with an artificial prosthesis, allowing for better mobility and a faster return to normal life in such severe cases. Given the nature of the fracture and the risks associated with healing, the patient and his attenders made an informed decision. They chose total hip replacement, a decision not just for treatment but for restoring movement, independence, and quality of life. What began as a devastating accident became a turning point where timely intervention and the right surgical choice paved the way for recovery. Because sometimes the right decision doesn't just heal a bone, it helps a person stand again.
इतने हम्बल डॉक्टर साई किरण, मतलब लगता ही नहीं कि पेशेंट को पेशेंट समझते हैं, मतलब अपने परिवार की तरह ट्रीटमेंट देते हैं। मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, इतनी जल्दी स्पीडली रिकवरी। मैं तो सोच ही नहीं सकता था कि मैं इतनी जल्दी घर जाऊंगा प्रयागराज। थैंक यू मेडिकवर और स्पेशली साई किरण सर, हार्ट टच, लव यू सर, माय ब्रदर।